So today we are going to change cabin air filter of Honda Accord, and I have ordered this filter from Amazon, so you can get it for 15 to 20 bucks. Let me show you how to do it. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, so I have already emptied it, so you can see here. And then I will remove this. You have to just press both the sides, this and this, inside, and then it will get it removed. But now I have removed those hinges. Now just press this downwards and then it will move it further. So now I have removed that, and behind here you can see the filter. There is a piece of plastic above the filter, and there are tabs. So there is one tab here, another tab here. So you have to push both of them inwards. You can then slide out the old filter, and this is how my old filter looks like, very dirty. Here is our new filter, and as I was saying before, here is the airflow mark, which should match with what we saw inside, like here. Now it's as easy as sliding it inside. So this is our new Bosch filter, Bosch model 6029C, and my car is Honda Accord 2015 EXL, so it fits it very well. So as you saw, then you can just bring this piece of plastic on top of it and it will click in place. Then you can pull this little thing here, it will go, and then you have to push this piece of plastic inside so that these hinges can go inside like this, and now you are closed and done. So for this video I'm using this Bosch filter 6029C.